My dear viewers of Madani channel, inshallah Azawajal, today we'd like to share with you how Ghaus-e-Azam radiyallahu anhu was protected from a dangerous attack of shaitan. Ghaus-e-Azam radiyallahu anhu once said, as written by Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatul Aliyah in his booklet Jinn Resembling Snake, published by Maktabatul Madina, that once I went to a jungle where I stayed for many days without eating and without drinking. I'd become very thirsty, and suddenly a cloud appeared above my head. From this cloud, raindrops started to fall, which I drank. A bright face then appeared in the cloud, illuminating the sky, saying to me, "O Abdul Qadir, I am your creator, and I have made all haram things halal for you." Ghaus-e-Azam radiyallahu anhu says, I immediately recited, "A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim." Then the brightness of the cloud turned into smoke. I then heard a voice, "O Abdul Qadir, before this, I led 70 saints of Allah astray due to this way, but your knowledge has saved you." Ghaus-e-Azam radiyallahu anhu said, I replied, "O accursed one, it is not my knowledge, but it is the grace of Allah Azza wa Jal that has saved me. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam."
Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
I must strive to rectify myself and the people of the whole world.
Inshallah Azza wa Jal.